This is my go-to makeup, the one that I choose to do every day when I don't have time, energy, or when I'm in a rush. The first step is to wash my face with soap. Because my face is oily, I need to remove everything to have a clean canvas. Creamy eyeshadow base from Douglas. There are mornings when I just don't have time for this thing, so I don't put it on. Foundation. I don't use concealer or contouring. My followers let me know some of the combos that I should try for my whiteness, but if I need to cover something, I just put another layer of foundation over, like I need to put on these beauties. Till my foundation dries, brows. It's just shimmer in this color palette. Focus, iPhone, focus. And now I have to make them symmetrical. This is why I sometimes chose not to. Shimmer from Douglas, I need to buy a new one. Yes, for all three I use the same brush. I use pearls because I like them. I think it's too much. I should blend it better. Liner. I choose either nude because it's very easy to apply, or a red one. The vibe it's giving. This is my go-to makeup. Don't forget to follow for more fashion related content, and go to part 2 to see the look that I put together to match the makeup.